Kucekeleke phansi indawo eyisizinda somlando wezwe, izisebenzi zasephalamende, intatheli kanye namalungu ephalamende basabambe ongezansi ngemva kokubona umonakalo odalekile.
The National Assembly, if you picture it, you can't, because the public gallery is half collapsed. It's all just burnt. It's completely destroyed. It's absolute devastation. It looks like a bomb went off inside. My heart, I won't lie, my heart is breaking.
Amalungu ephalamende athi kunemibuzo eminingi engakaphendulwa njengoba ethola yonke imininingwane kwabeindaba. I-EFF yona isisebenzise lesigameko njengethuba lokuphakamisa ukuthi iphalamende kufanele libe seGauteng. Estatimendeni leli qembu libalule indleko eziphezulu zokuba nesishayamthetho kanye nobuholi bezwe emadolobheni ahlukene. Lolu akulona udaba olusha njengoba babengomengameli bezwe uKgalema Motlanthe kanye noJacob Zuma baliphakamisa eminyakeni edlule. Ngo-2018 kwaqoka inkampani ezimele ukuba ibhekisise lolu daba, kanti umbiko wokugcina waqagula ukuthi ukususa ishayamthetho sikazolonke eKapa kwakuzobiza u7 billion wamarandi.
The seat of parliament is there in the constitution. It says the seat of parliament is in Cape Town. So we have to start by amending the constitution before you move. Then you must be sure of the budget, and it cannot take 6 months or a year to build a parliament, and therefore we must be able to use whatever resource that we have to ensure that parliament works.
Well, if you were to do a cost-benefit analysis, you are likely to spend a fraction of that amount of money fixing the damage here, rather than going to another place and try to build a parliament from scratch. But the issues are many here. Why all of a sudden is this parliament being bent down? Have we attended to issues of negligence and lack of security?
Wonke amaqembu ayavumelana ngokuthi kufanele kutholwe indlela yokuqiniseka ukuthi umsebenzi wephalamende uyaqhubeka.